This is a Molex pin. Hold on to the front of the pin. Insert the rail of the pin into the smaller slot of the crimping tool. Make sure that the crimping tool is holding on to the Molex pin properly. Insert the strip multi-core wire into the rail of the Molex pin. Make sure that the conductor and the insulator of the wire are in the pin. Crimp the Molex pin onto the wire tightly. Remove the Molex pin. Half of the Molex pin should be crimped on the conductor and half on the insulator of the wire. When the wire is properly crimped, the Molex pin will not fall off. Next, we will insert the Molex pin into the housing. Take note of the rectangular slot on the Molex housing and the small latch on the Molex pin. The latch should be inserted into the slot of the Molex housing. You should hear a small clicking sound if inserted correctly. Once done, the crimped wire will be latched in the Molex housing.